অরিজিৎ অফিসিয়াল মিউজিককে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, শেয়ার করুন, লাইক করুন, কমেন্ট করুন, আর বেল আইকনটা কিন্তু টিপতে ভুলবেন না।
Hello friends, I am Pradeep Kumbar from Mumbai. I am ultra marathon runner, cyclist and swimmer. My marathon journey started with the 6 km Dree run at the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon in year 2011. Then there is no looking back. I did 21 half marathon, 15 full marathon and many 50 and 100 kilometers ultra runs. I did 160 Mumbai-Pune Ultra Intercity Run with the Milind Soman and 12 hours stadium run, 24 hours stadium run covering with 100 kilometers, and then I wanted to push myself and move to something bigger, so I started training for triathlon. I was training for Ironman Malaysia 2018 World Championship. Things were going great. Then on 18th August I was riding a bicycle on Mumbai Western Express Highway and I banged. I was run over by a truck. I woke up in the hospital. I had lost my right leg and badly damaged my other leg and ankle. I fractured TBA, fibula and rods and screw to hold my leg in place. I spent 22 days in hospital and 8 months I was bedridden at home. Through multiple operations and physiotherapies, only my left leg could be salvaged. Frankly, I think I am fortunate I survived. My wife and my sons, they are my rocks. They are why I am standing up and I keep going. My son, my running buddies have been my motivation. They continue to encourage me and push me to do my best. I am working with Aegis Federal Life Insurance Company last 12 years. I am Senior Manager Administration and I continue to work with them. There is no change in my way of work. I am really thankful to Aegis Federal. They supported me in the right through my up times and the down times. Post a year of rehab, I had to retrain and I learned myself to walk, run, cycle and swim. Everything I had learned as a baby, I had to learn a sign with my new limb, figuring out how to work with the lack of sensing in my prosthetic limb. I had to figure out Jugaad through my experience. Then I have completed several 5 km, 10 km runs. I swim regularly and cycle around 20 kilometers every day. no change in my dream. It always been the Ironman. Success belongs to those who are goal oriented and determined and persevering. If you can dream it, you can definitely do it. I cycle, I swim, I ran, I ride two-wheeler, four-wheeler. I do everything what I was doing before the incidents. I lost my leg, but I am not handicapped. Post-accident, for some, I am an inspiration. For some, someone to be pitied. Some friends who seems like good friends look always and avoid interacting with me. Different people have a different approaches. I have not changed with you. Strong willpower, never say die attitude, consistent hard work. Moment I could stand back up, I started working on my fitness. I would not say it was easy. All I would say, one need to be helped themselves, or other than only one can help oneself, no one else can. If we do not help ourselves, no one else can make a difference. Everything else is a secondary. Doctor, therapists, family and friends are there to support you, but it is your inner strength that can make you or break you. Inner strength, mental strength is what happened me raise once again. The dream of completing an international triathlon continues to live on in my heart. And it's going to be true very soon.